It's enough just to love it. You don't have to be good too. It's enough just to love it. It's only for you. I know you want to be good, and you want to be cared for, but I assure you, you don't need that too. It's enough just to love it. It's enough just to care. Express yourself badly, nobody is there. The only person you'll hurt by not doing it too is you.